In October, we spent 2.5 weeks at Warroora Station, which is just south of Coral Bay on the Ningaloo Reef. This would have to be one of our favourite spots in Australia. Bloody awesome.
We came in the north track from Exmouth, which was a little corrugated but not too bad. We set up camp at 14 Mile for the first 11 nights.
Pretty much all we did while we were at 14 Mile was drink beer, catch fish, eat camp oven meals, play games and just generally live. We also went to Coral Bay a couple of times to snorkel and escape the wind. It's only a 20-minute drive through some bloody awesome country. This spot is Five Fingers Reef, between Coral Bay and Warroora Station, another awesome spot. We snorkeled there a few times and attempted to spear fish, but had no luck. Check out that view. Some of you might be thinking, what is going on here? Wheel bearings on the beach? Nah, we just had an almost failed swivel arm bearing which made the axle seal leak bad. Pulled it apart to drain the oil and order some parts. I then re-greased the old bearings. They only had to last 200 k's to Carnarvon. However, this meant we only had 2-wheel drive for the rest of our stay. Luckily we had the Sparkies to pull us out. Cheers guys! Check out this, typical ℹHere series, bogged as. Luckily these guys would have to be the best cooks we've come across on the road. Roving Russos, you. After 11 nights of getting smashed by up to 50-kilometre winds, we decided it was time to try and find some shelter. So we explored the whole station.
Where are we today?
So today we are at Warroora Station with Sparkies on the loose. This is Wedding Hill. What a ripper spot. two-wheel drive. As you can see, we got pretty bogged at Maggie's. Luckily we had Kurt there to push us out. Cheers, mate.
We headed to Coral Bay to stock up on food and water and have one last snorkel. We then drove back and set up camp at Stevens. We got a little bogged trying to get into the campsite. A quick winch and we were out.
If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Cheers guys.